supposed to wait a few minutes for more people, so I will get back maybe after 4 minutes. So please wait. It's enough time to wait for others to join us. So I will start. Please tell me, can you see the shared screen and can you listen? Can you hear me?
Yes, we can.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So my name is Jakub Klikowski, and this is a team and pre-engineering project. So few notes, because you don't have to note this presentation. You don't have to take screenshots. I will upload this presentation on ePortal, and you will have you will you can check this later. Please listen carefully. Ask if something was unclear, and I will explain you. And that's it. So one of the most important things is the first 2 weeks will be online, and then from 14 March classes will be stationary. It will be held in room P24 in building C16 as was scheduled. So in these classes you have to make a project, some kind of IT project. There should be a prototype implementation of the project idea and the project documentation. Work must be done in groups of 4 to 6 people. In special situations, it can be 3 people. Each group should find a project leader responsible for the communication with me. And you can came up with your own idea, or take a project idea in the team project conference. This is a conference where the different companies came with the idea, and you can choose the topic, start cooperation, and I will explain more later. So there are 2 paths, own project idea and the company project idea. In the own idea, you must approve. The project idea must be approved by me. So you have to came up with some idea and discussed with me. It is okay, and you have also made a documentation according to some rules, and this documentation will be the main part of your project, and simple prototype which will show maybe the some features or maybe some part of the whole project. And the own project idea possibly don't have any future aspects, because after the end of semester I will don't care about this idea. On the other hand, you can make project with the company, and there you don't have to invent anything. You just have to select topic from the list. You will cooperate with company, which I think is a good possibility for you to gain a real and maybe new experience. And this path include much lesser documentation than the own project idea. And there is more work in the prototype implementation. And you will be working on the real problem, which can give you more opportunities to continue this work. I can't say it's guaranteed to continue work with company, but there is a possibility. There is some future aspects. So the project rules are very simple. The main assignment to pass this course is the prototype and the project documentation. There will be few project stages that should be uploaded to ePortal by the group leader, and delay in the one of the submissions of the one of the project stages will result in a reduction of the final grade. And after uploading the individual stages, you should consult with me during the classes, which is okay or not. The one exception is the first stage, when you should discuss and consult with me the project information, the group composition, your topic before uploading on ePortal. And this feedback from me should be taken into account in the final version of the project, which is the last stage. And attendance at meetings is not obligatory, except first and last meeting. If you think you made everything okay, or maybe you are working with the company and they give you guides and you feel that everything is okay, you don't have to consult with me project stages, so you can make it without any discussion, because you are thinking it's okay. And most of the times I think it's okay if you made this this documentation or the prototype in proper way. So project stages. First stage is the overall description of the project. There is a requirement specification, and then you have to prepare the project schedule and communication plan, cost plan and quality management, risk management, and final documentation with prototype. More detailed information you will find in the project rules file on ePortal. There will be more bullet points for every stage, and also you can ask me if you don't know how to make it. So on ePortal I will also give you some more materials and references for different helpful books, probably 2 books, and that should be enough for you information to make a proper documentation. So these project stages, which I'll show you right now, are specifically for your own ideas. If you make a project with a company, there will be probably a different way, and I didn't specify it because it will be consult with the company and made by their ideas. So be aware that these project stages are important. If you make your own idea, in other way, when you cooperating with company making their project, you will probably make it in a different way. So every stage has a deadlines, and these are the dates of these stages. You can see that we are meet every Thursday. So uh, these meetings are the also deadlines. And as I said before, the best way is to in the first stage is to meet with me and then upload it on the ePortal, the consulted version of your project. And this meeting is obligatory for you. Then you should upload before meeting your documentation, and I will consult with you. And also the last meeting, probably the 9th of June, you should consult with me the final documentation. Then you will have 1 week to prepare it and upload it on ePortal. And also I will have 1 week to check it and grade and give you a grade before end of semester. So the final grade will consist of few things. The project stages will give you a total of 16% of your grade. Prototype it will be 20%, and the final documentation with the your um, including my remarks will give you 20%. And if you get this number of points, this percent of total of your project, you will get a different grade according to this table. Okay, so first steps is to compose a team. Some of you have a team before this meeting. Then select or invent your project idea. Then you should get my confirmation about the idea by email. Or in the meeting. It could be done in very different ways, and you should start working after that. And remember, this is the link to the website where you can find project ideas from the company. So from me, that's all. Please ask questions if you have.
Excuse me?
Yes.
So we, for example, we are selecting a project for a company from the website. And how are we getting in touch with the company?
When you open the conference website, you will find the information how to get in touch with the company. You should probably select a topic, get my approval, and then you will ask the conference organizers to get a contact with company.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so
excuse me, I also have
yes?
a question. We got your approval, and we got approval of this organization with a mail of member from the company, supervisor from the company, and after that we just can start the work, right?
Yes, yes, but I saw that the email. It was probably, yes. It was today before this meeting. I will write down an email to this company, and probably you will start your cooperation in the next week.
Okay, thank you.
Any more questions? Okay, so if there's no more questions, thank you for your attention, and please start looking for theme and topic and start working on your project. So thank you and see you next time.
Excuse me, Professor.
Yes.
I am from another group, so
Yes.
can you mark my presence?
Okay, I will mark it.
And we have selected the topic, me and my colleagues. So shall I mail you or just let you know here?
Is this a topic from a conference? Yes.
Yes, from the companies, from
okay,
those.
So when you open the company website, there's a how to reserve a topic. So maybe I will send you this link, and you will.
I have opened it already.
Yes, okay.
It says submit a request for its implementation in Google Sheet. So I have added a comment accordingly.
Okay, so after you add your will of getting this this project in the Google Sheet, you should get information. You should get the information from the organizers that you can ask me for the approval.
Okay, after it's confirmed from the organizers, I will get a consent from you.
Yes.
Okay, so that's the next step. All right. Okay, thank you. That's all.
So if they, when you made your when you mark your topic in the Google Sheets,
I just commented like 5 minutes before.
Okay, so you have to wait a while.
Okay.
Okay, so any more questions? If not, thank you for your attention and good luck with your projects.